backpack. Um, so yeah, I just want to show you this beautiful place. Um, I can't even read that. It is. Uh, yes, it's beautiful place. Beautiful place. Beautiful place. Now just waiting to reach Goa. Hopefully soon. Bye bye.